Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now? Unlock your iPhone and open Wallet so you don't waste time. Make sure Face ID or Touch ID is ready. Apple Pay needs authentication. Have the new debit card, number, expiration, and CVV visible or photographed. This speeds entry. Once Wallet is open, tap the card you want to replace or update, then tap the three dots or info icon to reveal card settings. This gets you straight into the flow to edit or remove a payment method. Now you'll change the card details step by step. If you're replacing, tap Remove Card and then Add Card. If updating, choose Edit and follow prompts. Use the camera to scan the new debit card for speed or type the number manually if needed. Make sure the expiration and CVV match the card. Next, confirm the billing address and agree to any bank verification steps such as SMS or email codes. Once verified, the new card syncs across your devices via iCloud automatically. Finish by completing the bank's verification method so Apple Pay activates. Enter an SMS code, approve in your banking app, or take the phone call if requested. Once done, make a small contactless purchase or send a small Apple Cash payment to confirm the card works. If something goes wrong, restart your iPhone, ensure iCloud keychain and wallet are signed in, and check the bank's app for blocks. If that fails, contact your bank. They often need to clear pending verifications on their side.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.